I mean, a person dying early is definitely a part of their payment for the sin, but also it eliminates their ability to do tshuva. It eliminates their ability to gain further reward and do mitzvot. So it's not an ideal. I can tell you that this it's open over here. The Sharet Tshuva in the fourth gate, on the categories of atonement, talks in section 11, says, if a person violates a din karet, meaning a capital punishment administered by heaven or by the bedin, and he does tshuva, since there is no forgiveness for such a sin without suffering, for the tshuva just suspends the punishment, while the suffering is what purges the sin. He should focus on doing mitzvot that shield a person from suffering, such as the mitzvah of giving tzedakah, for his deed can rescue one even from death. As the pasuk says, tzedakah tetzil mimavet, that charity delivers one from death, and a person who has no money for performing charity should at least speak affirmatively for the poor person and be a mouthpiece on his behalf in requesting others to help him. Meaning he should try to help other people that don't have money get money. So you encourage other people to donate. It's even greater than you donating yourself. As the sages said in Gemara Baba Kama, one who persuades others to give charity is greater than the one who actually performs the mitzvah. And he gives other suggestions of what a person can do if he has a sin that he made or she made that's a din karet, either by the sages or by heaven or by the Torah itself. He says this type of sin is not something you could just get rid of just because you stop making it. Like if you violated Shabbat and you stop violating Shabbat, that doesn't necessarily fix everything right away. It says that technically the din karet, you have to suffer for it. You have to suffer for it in order to eliminate that sin. And he says that, but in order to not get yourself to suffering, occupy yourself with mitzvot that either eliminate suffering or delay it at least. So your suffering will come in different ways. Point being is, if a person read Sharet Tshuva and understood the intricate details that go into judgment of every law, within the first chapter you already started doing Tshuva. By the time you got to the end, you cry at every page. You cry at every page. Why? Because you realize he's talking to you. You're not talking about the guy behind you. He's talking to you. You think you're righteous? Yeah, it's you. No, but I'm a rabbi. Yeah, exactly, you. No, but I'm a student. You. You're a mother. Yeah, you. Anybody, you. He's talking to you. And the depth of judgment is extraordinary. So a person simply needs to understand. You have to do the best you possibly can to do what Hashem says. To do what the sages said. And not mess around, not look for ways to sin, don't fool around. It's just not worth it. It's going to bring a lot of problems to your life beyond what you can imagine. And again, why learn the hard way? Why learn the hard way? So, as far as a person that gets death penalty by violating a rabbinical mitzvah, yeah, there is a benefit to it in the sense that it's part of his tshuva, but there's a very big downside, because had he just done tshuva without dying, he could have done a lot more mitzvot and gone to Gan Eden. So it's not an ideal situation. Plus, if a person has other sins that he made, then which likely he does, he won't have any time to do tshuva for them.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh v'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new Bezrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app, full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the Shiurim that we do, myself, Rabbi Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Call to B'chava Tzlacha.